Fuelpak FP3 is at the forefront of motorcycle engine tuning technology. So is the customer service experience. Built in the Fuelpak FP3 application is a revolutionary new feature to help users out in the field if they experience difficulties on the road. If a user has an issue, they can upload their current map directly to the Fuelpak FP3 technicians. The technician can then verify that the user has the correct map or make adjustments directly. Then the map can be sent directly back to the user's smartphone for download and then flashing. Another added benefit Fuelpak FP3 offers users is the onboard diagnostic feature. This allows users to scan any present engine codes and a brief description. The user can then clear the codes if they wish. The Fuelpak FP3 also allows users to view a live display of the motorcycle's onboard sensors. The user can then view the following sensors: throttle position, intake air temperature, manifold air pressure, rear spark advance, front spark advance, gear selector, RPM, battery voltage, engine temperature, and mile an hour. Once a selection is made, the gauges can be manipulated in different locations on the gauge display.